Welcome to the ultimate Sami Dolls Baby Doll collection. In this video we're making comfy shoes for the baby doll. The needed materials are listed here. You'll find the link to the pattern in the video description. We begin by folding our shoe sides in half and closing the back seam. Repeat this for all shoe sides. We fold the sole in half to determine the center. Next we pin the shoe soles to the shoe sides. Then we sew the soles to the shoe sides. We leave a turning hole each on the inner shoe pieces. Then we can turn the outer shoe pieces inside out. The inner shoes stay this way. Fold the ankle cuffs in half and close the open side edge. Then we fold them in half so that the raw edges align at the raw edge. Now we put the inner shoes inside the outer ones and pin them in place. We're then sticking the ankle cuffs in between the inner and outer shoe so that the raw edges align at the top, and then we pin all the layers together. Then we sew all the way around the top edge, sewing all 3 layers of fabric together. We turn the fabric inside out through the turning hole and fold the ankle cuffs down. Then we close the turning hole either by hand or with a sewing machine. And then the shoes are done.